Welcome to Browser in Seconds. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Chrome profiles here in PC. So, Chrome profiles are very helpful if you have multiple people using one PC. So for example, if you have siblings or like you're using a public computer, so it really helps so that you can configure it differently from other users and save your settings for your own preferences. So on the upper right corner, click this profile icon. So as you can see, we are using profile number 2. Click that one. And there are multiple profiles here. So you can add your profile and then you can sign in your Google account or you can also stay signed out. So here you can put a name on it. So for example, we can name this profile test. And then we can choose the color to customize it according to our wants. Click done. So as you can see, there are no bookmarks anymore because those bookmarks belong to another person's profile. And like when you also visit the history, it will be different from the profile. So like turn back to the previous profile, you can just click this icon again and click this one. And there you have it. Thank you and see you in the next video.